That's Colby and Petey and Marley playing. I gotta be careful because sometimes they come charging right for me. We are at Leona Canyon. Hey, Colby. Where'd Petey go? Oh, Petey. Look at him resting. Come on. You can't rest. What are you resting for? I know it is kind of hot, though. Well, it's about 75. We're going to get Petey going. Think we can get Petey going? I got to get around this stick. Come on, Petey! Come on, Petey! Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Petey. Hey, Presley! Hi, puppy! Oh! Oh! And that's Presley doing his thing. Presley! Presley! Haha! Come here, Colby. Hey, Marley. Hey, Marley. Hey, Colby. Let's see if I can get them playing again. Come here. Petey. Petey. Okay, let's see if I can get you guys playing again. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on. Go get Petey. Go get Petey. Go get Petey. Go get Petey. Are we done playing? It looks like it, huh? Hi, P. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, honey. Hey, Colby. Okay. All right. Well, then we'll just head back then. Okay. Signing off.